Vegan is a growing trend in the world with lots of people trying it out. Here are 3 reasons to go vegan for 1 month. Number 1. It's great for the planet. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, 80% of all agricultural land in the world is used for growing animals and growing crops to feed them. It is also one of the fastest growing parts of agriculture. Every second, 1 to 2 acres of rainforest are cleared for grazing livestock or growing animal feed. That's like 7 football fields a minute. These rainforests, which are being destroyed, are a major remedy for global warming because trees remove carbon from the air. As a result, deforestation is the second largest cause of global warming. In addition, the main cause of global warming is the release of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. According to the United States Environmental Protection Agency, a quarter of all greenhouse gases comes directly from agriculture. 60% of these emissions come from animal farming. One of the sources of greenhouse gases is the burning of fossil fuels. It is estimated that 1 calorie of animal protein requires more than 10 times more fossil fuels than 1 calorie of plant protein. Number 2. It's good for other people. There are currently 7.5 billion people living in the world. That's more than twice as many as 50 years ago, and it's estimated that it would reach 10 billion by 2050. A plant-based diet requires only 1/3 of the land needed to support a meat and dairy diet, so we get to feed more people by using more fruits and veggies. In addition, unfortunately, deforestation for growing animals for food affects the poorest people all over the world, living near these areas and depending on their resources. Number 3. It's great for you. This is the most important reason. Vegan is healthy. Animal protein causes the body to produce high levels of certain hormones and chemicals which increase the rates of cancer, inflammation, and cholesterol plaques in blood vessels. Casein, the animal protein found in milk, increases risk of cancer development. In addition, all meats contain high levels of cholesterol. People who eat animal products are also exposed to residue of antibiotics, hormones, and other toxins that the animals are treated with. In countries like America, where there is a high consumption of animal products, 75% of healthcare costs come from the 4 problems that are largely linked to diet: heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and obesity. Vegan is what you can easily call a lean diet, a diet that gives you all the nutrients you need without anything you don't need. No heavy foods that are hard for the body to digest and deplete you from energy or harsh toxins. Eating vegan foods make you feel good, energized, and light. Of course, not all vegan foods are healthy, but there's plenty to choose from. So give it a go. A month can make a huge difference. Want to meet some vegan celebrities and see why they chose to go vegan? Why not check out our next video, which is linked in the description below. The information in this video is taken from the course 7 Steps, the Beginner's Guide to Vegan. For more information, please visit www.romancheese.org/7steps1.